Crazy shopping.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Max, what? Max, why is your stomach so big?
Well, I just enjoyed my Thanksgiving meal so much. What's up, Lily?
Today's Black Friday, let's go shopping!
Oh, you can go ahead. I'm still hungry.
Come on, Max, let's go! Everything's 50% off today!
I'm too lazy.
Come on, let's go! We gotta get there!
Fine.
See, Max, everything's 50% off!
Hi guys! Welcome to the Crafty Market where everything is 50% off for Black Friday.
Thank you! Max, let's go shopping!
Calm down, Lily. Don't buy random stuff. Just get what you need.
Okay, I know.
Are you buying the whole store, Lily? That's so much stuff.
Alright, I'm ready to check out!
Okay, let me help you with that. Wow, you bought a lot of stuff today.
Lily, why did you get so much stuff?
Everything's 50% off! I should buy a lot of stuff!
Why did you get this? Halloween already passed. And a popcorn maker, and you have 2 computers at home.
Cause they were on sale, duh!
Well, how'd you gonna get it home? Your car's full
We
already.
still have your car!
What? My car?
Okay, Lily, your total is $2,500.
What? 2,500?
Here's the money, take it!
Whoa, thank you.
Okay, Max, help me bring these to the car!
Okay, fine. Huh? Lily's such a crazy shopper.
Sleeping.
Brad, wake up! Wake up!
Lily, what do you want?
It's Black Friday, let's go shopping!
Lily, it's 9 a.m. It's too early.
Okay, Fred, look for the computer and look for the sewing machine. I'll get the food for us.
Okay.
Whoa, everything's 50% off! I'm gonna get corn, beans, chips. Hey, Fred, did you find a sewing machine in the computer for me? Fred? Fred? Huh? Are you serious? Fred!
Huh? Where am I?
Are you kidding me? Did you find a sewing machine in the computer for me?
Huh? Sorry, Lily, I was too sleepy.
Oh my gosh, find them for me right now. They're limited stock. Can't believe Fred. Let's see if we'll actually look for the computer and the sewing machine. Really, Fred? Fred, wake up! Did you get my computer and sewing machine?
Yeah, Lily, I got your computer right here and your sewing machine right here.
Fred, you're sleeping again? Oh, I can't believe Fred could sleep while we're shopping.
Cleaning.
Look, this tablet's on sale for $100. I could buy it for school.
That is so cheap. Oh my goodness.
Mom, are you still cleaning?
Yeah, look at it. It's so clean right now.
What are you guys talking about? The house is still so dirty. Look, do you see all the dirt? That's just dust, Mom.
Yeah, we cleaned up last night after the Thanksgiving party.
Are you kidding me? Just dust? Dust means bacteria. Why don't you help me clean up?
Aww.
But Mom, today's Black Friday. I wanted to go out to buy my tablet.
And I wanted to go buy some new clothes for Christmas.
No, you guys can't go until you're finished cleaning up. But Mom, if we clean up, everything will be sold out.
Yeah.
No, you guys have to clean up if you want to go shopping. Here.
Oh, Mom.
Oh man, my Black Friday plans are ruined.
Now I can't buy those new clothes for Christmas.
Hey, stop complaining and focus on cleaning. Okay, Mom. Hey, the table's still dirty, Fred. And Lily, you missed a spot.
Prepare for Christmas.
Max, I'm home. Max? Max? Oh, where could he be? What was that? If Max isn't home, that must be a thief. I have to go catch him. I hear it. It's in the storage room. Let me see.
This is too scary. Be careful, Lily.
What is that? Is that a monster? I have to defend myself. Huh? Max?
Yeah, it's me. What are you doing, Lily?
I thought you were a thief or a monster. What are you doing here?
It's Black Friday. I was getting Christmas decorations.
Are you serious? It's too early for Christmas decorations.
It's never too early for Christmas decorations. You should prepare too.
Oh, I can't believe you.
Working.
Max, there's a big TV on sale. We need to go grab it right now.
Sorry, Fred, I can't go. I gotta go to work right now.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, I gotta work.
Oh, man. You're the worst. I'm gonna go by myself. Monitor, where is it? Oh, monitor. This is the one I need. All right, it's time to check out. Max is gonna love this monitor. Max, you work here?
Yeah, I work here.
Oh man, if I'd known you'd worked here, I would have just asked you to buy this for me.
Oh yeah, sorry, but that's a good monitor. It's $100.
Oh, of course. Here you go.
Thanks.
Hey Max, can you come here?
Oh yeah. Yeah, what's up, boss?
You worked really hard today. Here's your salary.
$500? That's a lot, boss.
It's not a lot. You get paid double on Black Friday.
Oh yes, now I have enough money to go shopping after work.
Cooking.
Oh, Mom, what are you doing?
I'm cooking.
Are you serious, Mom? We still have a ton of leftovers.
But I want to cook fresh food for you.
Mom, just to stop cooking. Your favorite store has the greatest Black Friday deal ever.
What? Really? Just give me like 5 minutes to finish what I'm cooking right now.
Okay, Mom, just 5 minutes. We're gonna be late otherwise. Mom, it's late. We need to get going.
All right, I'm done. Let's go.
Come on, there might be not anything left at the store. Huh?
Fred, where's all the clothes you told me about?
I don't know, Mom. Let me go ask. Excuse me.
Yeah, what do you need?
Where are all the clothes?
Oh, you guys came too late. Everything's sold out.
Thank you. You see, Mom, we were too late.
Oh, let's just go back home. I'll cook for you.
Oh, that's why we were late in the first place.
Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Spend time with family.
Fred, let's go Black Friday shopping today. We can get really good deals.
I'm so sorry, but I don't think I can go with you today.
What? But today's the biggest sale of the year. Come with me.
I'm really sorry, but I didn't see my family yesterday for Thanksgiving, and I really missed them.
Oh, you're right. Family is important. You should go see them. Bye.
Thank you so much. Mom, Dad, I'm home. Mom, Dad.
Huh? You're home?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I missed you so much.
Hey, Mom, I got you flowers.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Hey son, where were you yesterday?
Yeah, we thought you weren't coming home.
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, but I had to work yesterday, but I'm here now.
That's okay, but why do you look so skinny? Come on, you need to eat.
I don't need to eat. Okay.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Make sure to hit that bell button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.